2019 Mazda 6 Grand Touring, 2019 Mazda 6 Turbo, 2019 Mazda 6 Review, 2019 Mazda 6 Sport, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming from Mazda brand. The title of the article we take is 2019 Mazda 6 Grand Touring, 2019 Mazda 6 Turbo, 2019 Mazda 6 Review, 2019 Mazda 6 Sport, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Mazda 6 Grand Touring, 2019 Mazda 6 Turbo, 2019 Mazda 6 Review, 2019 Mazda 6 Sport, new cars by. The Mazda 6 was introduced in 2002, it sold over 1 million units quicker than any other Mazda model, before or since, it became Mazda's best-selling model almost overnight. The third generation 6 came to the world in 2012, and certainly in the US, it sells reasonably well still, although it's not quite up there with some of the competition. Perhaps the 2019 Mazda 6 will change that. We don't have any official information regarding the new Mazda 6 2019, Mazda have remained pretty quiet as to what we may see. That may mean we have some radical 2019 Mazda 6 redesign coming along, but we do have to say that Mazda tend to play things safe. 2019 Mazda 6 release date. Mazda never release a new model in the middle of the year, and it's doubtful that they'll wait until the start of 2019, so we'd expect to see the Mazda 6 2019 hitting the dealerships in late 2018, perhaps as late as October or November. 2019 Mazda 6 price. Rumor has it that the pricing will remain pretty low, with the base model starting in the region of $26,000, the fully loaded flagship will be closer to the $35,000 mark. 2019 Mazda 6 redesign and changes. The biggest question is what will be powering the new 6? We would guess that Mazda will keep the 2.5-liter Skyactiv GVVT on the options list. It makes nearly 200 bhp and is officially rated at 38 mpg, but there is also talk of a 2.2-liter turbo diesel engine, although that may only find a home in the wagon version. The 2019 Mazda 6 turbo diesel should make around 173 bhp and 250 lb/foot of torque. We've also heard rumors about a full hybrid system. Given that manufacturers need to start lowering their corporate consumption figures, we'd guess that a hybrid is definitely on the cards. Most manufacturers will have some sort of hybrid system in at least one of their models in the next few years. 2019 Mazda 6 Coupe rumors are fluctuating for quite a long time, so we could expect future Kia Stinger rival from Mazda. 2019 Mazda 6 equipment. We do know that Mazda will update and fit their proprietary safety system, the iActive Sense, which takes care of a number of safety features, including forward collision warning, adaptive front lighting, traffic sign recognition, adaptive cruise control and lane assist. We don't think that it will make it to the base model though, but even that will be relatively well equipped. Heated and ventilated seating, rear view camera, push-button start, 7 touchscreen infotainment system featuring Mazda Connect. Will you be waiting for the 2019 Mazda 6? Let us know why in the comments. Thanks.